Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Breakout Lab. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So let's begin. Date is 28th of July 2021. Time is around 10:29, and we have taken a short position at this level in Axis Bank at around 722.60, and we kept the stop loss at around this level, and we are hoping a very good high target today, that is maybe around 1 ratio. How much? Wait, we are expecting a target of 1:3 at least, so we'll just modify this somewhere here, 1:3 somewhere here. I'm expecting a very big fall out in the market, and that's why on the basis of this trend line break, as you can see, there is a breakdown, and on this breakdown we have taken entry. I'll just quickly show my position. So these are the orders. Axis Bank 722.60 been completed. We have kept the stop loss at around 7.75, and currently the position is 300 rupees, 100 quantity short, right? So what was the logic? Logic is the same. See, as you can see, the same pattern exactly happened in Nifty also. High low, higher low, lower low, and the breakdown. And breakdown, then after market goes sharply down. So same pattern here also in the Axis Bank. On the base of that, we have taken this entry, and we are about to 1:1 target right now. And Nifty has some little support out there at this point, so we'll see how Nifty react at these levels. If Nifty tries to reverse, so we'll just book our profit in Axis Bank. Alright, so I'll give you an update once the target has completed. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have completed our target. Axis Bank hit the target that we are expected, and it gives us the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. I have kept a target order. As you can see, this is the executed orders, and as you can see at 10:46, 712.15, this was my target. Exactly at this level it spikes up and it went directly upside, so that was the target, and it completed at 10:46. You can see out here 10:46, and then I cancelled my stop loss order. This was the stop loss order, right? So let's see the position. So we have booked around 1045 rupees. That is the 1:2 reward, and all the trades have been taken by considering 500 rupees as the stop loss value. So based upon that, so let's discuss about the structures. So as you can see, it gives a nice downfall and then retraces at little bit, and at this level it gives the breakdown. So below that candle we kept our orders, and that got executed at this around 10:20, and then after a sharp fall directly to downside. So why I choose the Axis Bank, there is a reason. Again, I want to show you the Nifty chart. As you can see, Nifty also, as you can see, it forms the pattern and then gives a nicest breakdown at this level. So when it was giving this breakdown, so I was looking at the same with other stocks also who has the same pattern and giving the breakdown. So I found Axis Bank. Based upon that, I have taken those probabilities and possibilities, I have taken a trade in the Axis Bank because of that setup. And I would say this is the cleanest setup of this month, and this is the setup that everybody wants to trade. So clean and so perfect that it gives, after the breakdown, directly goes towards the target, not giving sideways movement and anything, directly falls towards the target. So that was the best setup and the cleanest setup I have observed, and this is the nicest one. Exactly, see, you can see it in, let me take it like this. Let us break two once. Yes, now we can compare. Yeah, now you can see morning it open, goes down, and then directly goes down. So this shows there is a negativeness, and sustain little bit, give retracement, and then give a breakdown. Same pattern, goes down, goes up, goes down, it gives the nicest movement of downside. traces and give the breakdown. So based upon these structures only I have taken a trade. And yeah, this was for the today. Okay, wait, let me show you the order book again. I'll just refresh it. So we booked around 1045 rupees today, and that is one with the highest one for our trading, because what we are trading with only 500 rupees at the stop loss value. Based upon that, we have booked 1000 rupees. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.